lack of discipline. Right? Not listening to the members of staff. The teacher is saying, can you do this? You are doing the opposite. Can you pass?
No.
The teacher says, when you do A, B, C, D, this will lead you to distraction. Then that is where you are going. Can you pass?
No.
The head teacher in the staff room there told us that because of the Bibles that were distributed here, because of the devotion that you attend every Tuesday, the discipline is shaping for the best. That was